Just another day feeding birds in a park where they want to eat the whole loaf of bread. Hey, give me some. Give it. Give me the piece of bread. Come here. If it bites my finger off, I'm gonna be really pissed. Shit, they're getting closer.
No, just take your hands.
I don't want it to bite me.
Stop doing that. You're scared.
It's gonna bite you. Does it bite you? I'm so scared.
This scares you at first. There's nothing to be scared of. Just watch. Stick it out.
Oh, I really don't want it to bite me. Oh, that's gonna suck. Oh, shit.
Watch.
Oh.
Here, just wait. Hold it out. Like this.
Okay.
No.
No, not the whole loaf.
Okay, just hold the. No, hold. No. You have to hold it. Like.
I have an idea. Hang on. Whole piece of bread right here. It doesn't trust me. Really, dude? Really? I hate you. Ooh. I'm just gonna throw it at it. Uh-oh. 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 Oh, it's falling. Okay. My boyfriend has more balls than me right now. I don't want to get bit by a goose. And we got our duckies. Some more duckies. Probably birds that are going to attack us. And goose. It's like a shark. No. That's a Batman theme. Sorry. Oh. It's like, bitch, please. Oh, damn. Got some birds behind us. Like, I don't trust you. Give me my bread. There, singing a duck lullaby.
Like it so much.
My boyfriend is having an awesome time. Right, baby?
Yep.
He's not really grouchy, people. He just looks grouchy at this point in time because we're feeding him. Okay then, we're feeding the bird bread because it was my idea and like, baby, look.
I know. Should we stop?
We bought this whole loaf of bread like today,
99 cents.
like not so long ago. Let go. And there is that much left because we've been feeding the birds.
And I've been eating it.
And he's been eating it apparently. Yay! Oh, there's my finger.
Oh, watch this.
He's trying to get the ducks to kill them each other.
Do something.
That's so not cool, man. Just not cool. Oh, this is our little male ducky. Hey. Little male ducky. Woo.
Huh?
And the geese are back. I'm not showing myself on camera right now because I look like hell.
Watch, look, I'm getting the goose.
Very windy. But if you notice, no snow. No snow. A lot of birds. No snow. Woohoo.
I'm really gonna start pissing off. And we're almost out of bread.
Are you kidding me?
No, we have like 3 pieces left.
What was? Give me the bread. Give it.
This is our fun. 99 cents. 99 cents worth of fun right here.
Oh, there's a ducky behind us. There is a ducky behind us. I really don't want them to bite my toes. Hey, that hit me. Yeah, because I grabbed the thing the wrong way. I hate you so much! I just got soaked! Here, Douche!
I love you.
Douche! Ugh! You're an asshole.
I think that's a great way to end it.
I think you're an asshole because you just got me soaking wet because of the birds flapping their wings.
Yeah.
Oh shit, and we're still recording. So, anywho, that's it. Bye-bye.